Today, guys, I'll be showing you two devices that will make a perfect home entertainment system. And I have here is a projector, very light. This is called the Mecool KP2. This one, I have the creative Pebble V3 to pair it with this one to give me that perfect sound for my movie needs. Let's get it started. So basically, the Mecool KP2 is a perfect smart projector. So it has all of these specs over here. It is Netflix capable, 1080p resolution. It has a 600 ANSI brightness. It has a 1 gig of RAM and 8 gigs of storage. It has a fully sealed light engine, and it has autofocus keystone. And this one, the Creative Pebble V3, it's a minimalistic 2.0 USB-C speaker with Bluetooth 5.0. It's very powerful. It has a powerful 2.25-inch of full-range drivers and passive radiators for enhanced audio experience. It also has amplified audio with high gain mode through built-in gain switch. So about opening this box first, and we'll open the V3 a little bit later. We have a user guide. Then we'll pull out the projector over here. Looks small. We have your adapter brick, which is quite big, like a laptop charger. We have, of course, your power cable, and of course, your remote control. You can see the lens is over here. On top is your power button. At the back, we have the speakers over here, the power in, USB 2.0, a HDMI port, and of course, your headphone jack. Or, of course, you can plug in your audio over here. And you can also mount this on a tripod using this one. And it also has 4 non-slip shoe over here. We need 2 AAA batteries over here. Battery is not included in this package, so you have to run to the grocery to buy 2 of this one first. Next is to open this one. It's packed pretty tight. User guide. We have a USB-A to USB-C plug. And of course, our 2 speakers. Removing the bubble wrap. And it looks like this. So on this device, you'll find the volume knob over here and your Bluetooth switch. We'll be trying to make this work using this port, but if it fails, we'll be using Bluetooth instead. So guys, I've turned on the lights so we can see it clearly. So we'll be powering it up for the first time. And so yeah, it says Mecool. Okay, so just wait for it to power up. So I guess that's right. So yep. Select English. There. So just accept, and enable Wi-Fi. Connect to your home Wi-Fi. So can set up next Netflix if you like. But since I don't have a Netflix account, so we'll probably skip this one. So this is basically its interface, very user-friendly. So I'll try to elevate it to see if it can adjust on its own or not. So here goes. See if it can calibrate. Let's see. Cool. Now it looks better. Okay. So with that said, now we can view it a little bit better. What's nice about this one is that it can project to up to 200 inches of screen size, which my room is a little bit more smaller than it should be. So yeah, that's why the screen is a little bit limited. So let's just play it the way that it is right now. The next thing to do is to get this audio working. There we have it, Bluetooth. So just press the button here. We can see that the Pebble V3 is here. Just simply select pairing. And we're probably in for a treat for better audio. So right now it's connected. Pebble V3 is connected. So we can play all of my sounds here on the Pebble V3 from Created. So let's go back home. Okay, so we can see on the home screen we have Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, YouTube Kids, some other apps that we rarely see here in the Philippines. So here are some of the videos that are um, quite popular, like One Piece. And here are some, I guess these are from YouTube, if I'm correct. So let's just browse through some of the function. We can do some screencasts from your phone, and you can do some home share as well. So these are just simply some of the function. And let's try to project my phone over here. Let's see. And probably you'll be seeing my phone being casted here on the screen. So it looks really nice. So want to browse some of your photos over here, you can probably do so. And you can change the orientation and browse it like this one. So you can browse it like this one and enjoy the photos that we've taken. So this is how it looks like. It's going to be fun when you're connecting your phone to this projector. A very useful function that I would say. I would say that it's perfect for presentation and for other things that you might do along the way. So basically, these are some of the inputs. You can uh, plug in your laptop over here using HDMI port, or you can plug in your drive, media drive over here to the USB port. Mine is the Pebble V3 to give it some power. So here are some settings. So you can set it up here. And you can calibrate whatever you need here. Picture mode, you can change the brightness. I think can higher the brightness. That's if I put away my lights, it looks like this. It's a lot better than it should be. Okay, so I can see some of this one like audio, Bluetooth network, projection, keystone, zoom, focus, and about. So it can change the focus a little bit, but I think it's almost okay. So well, let's just try to play some videos here over from YouTube and yeah, just enjoy, sit back and relax. So you can control the volume here on the shift knob. Okay, so or you can also control your volume on your remote. Just try to watch some videos over here. Only one missing function that I don't see here is the ability to talk to the remote via voice command. So yeah, that's just a little limitation from this one. So let's just quickly search. Let's just say we want to watch some videos from New Jeans. Okay, so we can see this is the video. Super shy, but wait a minute while I make you mine, make you mine. I lean and take them, though you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy, super shy. I'm a villain, I'm a villain, I'm a villain, I can get it, got that. I'm a villain, I'm a villain, I'm a today, I'm gonna be there. Got better things to do with my time, better things to do with my time, do with my time. Finds an open man. It's Holmberg in the corner. With his teammates. Really try to maximize being out. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So guys, you can see what this device can do. It can let you watch really nice movie over here. The brightness is quite bright as compared to other brands that I've tested. And I did watch some videos from Batman versus Superman, which is a very dark movie. I would say that it's bright enough for me to watch here in my studio, just projecting to my wall. It's pretty clear. And you would see that I'm playing some 4K videos here, and it's really nice and it's quite punchy. And what's really nice here, the color are crisp. And of course, it depends on your wall. If your wall is a little bit if your wall is a little bit smudgy, it might affect your viewing preference over here. But overall, if you have a flat wall like mine, it will give you that really nice picture that you're looking for from this projector. We've played several sounds here and we've tested fully the Creative Pebble V3. I would say the sound is really nice and probably it's a perfect complement for laptops, for desktop, and even projector like this one. Since the sound from this projector is not really that nice, I would highly recommend you to buy a Creative Pebble V3 to pair it with this really nice projector from Mecool. So as we put the sounds to the maximum, I would say this room that I have is filled with noise. It's really loud and I really love the way that's being played. And I also tested these speakers together with my smartphone. It's also really loud. It's really nice even if you play games and if you connect it to your laptop or desktop, it also functions pretty good. Now, guys, if you want a perfect entertainment package that you can have at home or bring it on the go, check it out, the Mecool KP2 and the Creative Pebble V3. So guys, what can I say about these two devices that we featured? The Mecool KP2 is definitely a very handy projector that you can bring outdoors to any trip that you go, be it camping outdoors or presenting during a conference or just using it for entertainment. This is definitely something that you might want to have when you like entertainment. Now, overall, the sound on this one is just average, not the loudest that I've tried on any small projector like this one. So that's the reason why I bought along the Creative Pebble V3. This one gives me that sound that I'm looking for, especially when paired with the Mecool KP2. It makes this a total entertainment package. Now, if you want to know where you can buy this one, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share. And any sub to this channel would be me cool. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.